Mitsubishi X-Force or Toyota Yaris Cross? Sige, Euclid_7, shoutout sa'yo, sagutin natin. So both are very solid Japanese cars, very great options for the crossover segments, and both are also at around the 1.6 million mark. Both of them also have their own strengths and weaknesses, but for this very quick comparison, the Mitsubishi X-Force has a better build quality. I know that's a very big factor for a lot of people. Toyota Yaris Cross, I've test driven it. Actually, I have been inside both of these cars, but I like more the build quality of the X-Force. But the features is doon naman lamang si Yaris Cross. Not to mention, with them having the same price, naka-hybrid ka na kay Yaris Cross. And then you will also feel with the Mitsubishi X-Force, honestly, you'll really feel na medyo tinipid siya sa features. For example, at the price 1.6 million, you don't have the 360 camera. Pero at least you have a reverse camera naman. And if you're a seasoned driver or medyo ma-experience ka na, that's very gonna be good enough for you. Non-negotiable, at least reverse camera. And then yun nga, yung kanyang impressive talaga na build quality over Yaris Cross. And I know that's what you pay for a lot of people. They will choose that any day over features, and you have so much quieter feeling or more peaceful inside kay X-Force. Simply put, build quality versus features. If you wanna know more about both of these cars or any other cars in the segment crossovers, check out my YouTube playlist for you. Sana nakatulong, follow for more.